If you're encountering a page not found error on Obsidian Sync, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for Obsidian Sync to function properly. Step 2. Restart Obsidian. Close the Obsidian application completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Obsidian. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify sync settings. Go to the settings in Obsidian and check your sync settings. Ensure that your vault is correctly set up for syncing and that you are logged into the correct account. Step 5. Rebuild sync. If the issue persists, try disabling and then re-enabling Obsidian Sync. This can help reset the sync process and may resolve the page not found error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the page not found error on Obsidian Sync. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Obsidian support for further assistance.